This is the future.
Hi everyone, it's been a long time since I made a video. It's been like 1.5 years now. There were a lot of reasons why I stopped uploading and I'm truly sorry for that. Last week I just had a thought, why not start it again with New Year or decade I can say. It's been a wonderful decade and let's see what happened. Old subscribers, welcome back, and new subscribers, hi there, I'm Shashank and you're watching TechSane.
The iPad. Let me show it to you now. This is what it looks like. We're introducing iPhone 4. Fourth generation iPhone.
It's called Kindle Fire.
Off of the Atlas V with Curiosity.
What is the weather like today?
Here's the forecast for today.
It is that easy.
Steve Jobs, the visionary founder and leader of Apple Computer, has died at the age of 56.
Google Play, your digital entertainment destination, not just for apps and games, but also for movies, music, and books.
The Samsung Galaxy S3.
It is time to deliver Model S.
Yes! The opportunity to transform the kinds of devices we build, the kinds of applications that we create, has never been better than it is today.
Hard on a brand new technology to make this easy and fun to do. And it's called Touch ID. A7 is 64-bit. This is the first ever in a phone of any kind.
Introducing Chromecast, the easiest way to bring your favorite online entertainment to your TV.
Introducing Amazon Echo.
To me, it's bringing technology from Iron Man, Tony Stark's house into your own.
Comfort being, how long can I stay in that space and how good do I feel? Because they really do fundamentally change the types of experiences you can create.
This company's had 3 CEOs. They're all right here. This is all.
For the witcher.
What if we could go beyond the screen? Where your digital world is blended with your real world.
Until September 21st, leaving lots of consumers all around the world very.
So today, we are announcing the Google Assistant.
So we've also made this. It's an adapter, Lightning to Mini Phono audio adapter. That is why today we are so excited to show you a new product from Apple called Apple AirPods.
is it?
Here is iPhone 10. Now, unlocking it is as easy as looking at it and swiping up. And, you know, let's try that again. Ho, ho, ho. Let's go to backup here and get right in.
Our first 3 global Nokia Android smartphones. All of these devices will be available Q2 this year.
Offering a unique experience of combining hardware with our stock Android, premium pure Android camera.
We will call the vote. Commissioner Clyburn.
I dissent.
Commissioner O'Reilly.
Aye.
Commissioner Carr.
Aye.
Commissioner Rosenworcel.
I dissent.
The chair votes aye. The item is adopted with editorial privileges granted as requested. Thanks to the staff for your terrific work on this item.
That is a big difference.
You will have a whole new understanding of our world.
I want to understand more about happiness.
For it.
What's going on over there?
Oh no.
We're excited to bring to you a high-end model of the JioPhone, the JioPhone 2.
Incredible. We are so excited to introduce you to the iPhone XR.
I know what it is. We call it IGTV.
Sure, give me 1 second.
All right, guys, who's up for pizza?
We didn't take a broad enough view of our responsibility, and that was a big mistake. And it was my mistake, and I'm sorry. I started Facebook, I run it, and I'm responsible for what happens here.
You got a population of 1.32 billion.
Oh, that's hot. That's hot.
You should have gone for the head.
समय आप अपने स्क्रीन पे देख रहे हैं 2 S200 रॉकेट दोनों का प्रज्वलन हो गया है.
Very excited and proud to show you guys the OnePlus 7 Pro.
So this is Redmi K20 Pro for you guys. The Alpha flagship starting at rupees 27,000. $999 only.
This is the new Mac Pro, and it's incredible.
Million pixels. And with two 18 pixels per inch, it's a 6K Retina display.
This is the iPhone 11 Pro, and these are the most powerful and most advanced iPhones that we have ever built in a stunning new design.
ROG Phone 2 at the ultimate price of rupees 37,999.
Welcome to the Cybertruck unveil. Sure? Yeah.
Corey. Introducing a device like no other. Galaxy Fold.
Pixel 4 is the first smartphone with a radar sensor. It also lets you control your Pixel with simple gestures. Swipe to skip a song, silence a call, wave hello to Pikachu.
Data center. It's then easy and instantaneous to move that same game experience from exactly that moment onto the phone, here on a Pixel 3 XL.
Please welcome Keanu Reeves.
Cyberpunk 2077. You're breathtaking.
So this is it. I hope you liked the video. I know I have missed a lot of tech. Well, come on, it's too difficult to cover 10 years of tech in 10 minutes. I've covered only the revolutionary moments in the decade. Drop a comment and let others know if you feel anything that should have been in the video and I missed it. Also like, share and subscribe to the channel for more. Wish you all a very happy and prosperous New Year 2020, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.